Morning, guys. How is everyone? I hope you guys are doing good. So, I'm having some technology issues and getting kicked off and things spinning and freezing up. So, fingers crossed. Let's hope this works. All right, today is Friday and the month is April. All right, yesterday was the 16th. Today is the 17th. So, it is Friday, April 17th, 2020. Okay, this weather. I woke up and there was snow on my deck. I have a picture. I'll share with you guys in a bit. It was 80 degrees last week. This is not okay. No more snow. I don't know what's going on with Mother Nature, but no more snow. So we're going to go with cloudy and we're going to go with cold today because there's snow. All right, our current event, the NFL Draft. The 2020 NFL Draft is April 23rd through the 25th. NFL football teams pick football players at the draft. The NFL football teams take turns. The Cincinnati Bengals team will pick the first player. Many people will watch the NFL draft. Come on. Maybe. All right. So the NFL draft, though, is going to be going on the 23rd to the 25th. The Kansas City Chiefs, they have to pick last out of the first round because they won the Super Bowl. And that's how they kind of base it on is like those teams that didn't do so hot, they pick first. But it is coming up. Caden is like a draft expert and could tell you all kinds of things about it and tells me all kinds of things about it. There's a kid from Olathe that went to the high school Caden's supposed to go to that's supposed to be picked like within the top like 10. So that's kind of exciting. He's thinks it's way cool. All right, we are giving up on this because he is just running. Just running. Okay. Today, the national or international and national days, it's International Bat Appreciation Day. Didn't know anything such existed for a bat. So, and Cheese Ball Day, and Ellis Island Family History Day, and then Haiku Poetry Day, as well as Clean Out Your Medicine Cabinet. So, if you're bored and you need something to do, go help your parents clean out the medicine cabinet. All right, my pictures. The Disney sing along. Who checked it out? I did. Here's me doing my best version of scrolled a little too fast. Go back up. Of Let It Go. Caden was not fond of mom singing and did not like it. This had to have been my favorite though. This guy singing, and I don't know who it was. I missed his name. The Aladdin, the genie. Oh my gosh, they were fabulous. All of them were so good, but that might have been my favorite. But I hope you guys tuned in and liked it. It was so much fun. And then there it is. That right there. Snow. Not a fan. You guys know Miss Steele doesn't like the cold. All right, and I didn't get around to making a video because Caden hasn't made a boat yet. So my STEM challenge, here's my boat out of foil. I am creative and crafty. My boat doesn't look like it's going to hold much. So we will get that done today, and I will get that sent out to you guys of how well my boat does. Caden's boat is still a piece of foil. So mine might win since he hasn't done it. But I'm not very good at making boats out of foil. It looks, but that's it, guys. I hope you have a great day. I will get my boat, see how I do on that challenge, and get that sent out to you guys. Stay warm. Oh, snow. But bye, guys. Miss